Hi, I'm Jamie. I have been experimenting with the Fasting Mimicking Diet developed by Dr. Valter Longo and team. It is an incredible way to fast gently, compared to a water-only fast. The number one thing that this has helped me with is to change my relationship with food. After I started to do this fasting mimicking diet, which I know a lot of healthy people already do. So a lot of us are in the same boat. We don't have any issues, but we want to optimize on that health. That's exactly what happened to me. I started to do rounds of the FMD and then I got my lab results and they were even better. I could not believe it. Yeah, I felt better. Yes, I lost like a good 10 pounds permanently. That was amazing too. But it was really just seeing these lab results that blew my socks off. Like, to see those objective numbers is so encouraging, very empowering. The human body is limitless. We are limitless in terms of how powerful we can be. We just have to learn a few things. I know, it can be daunting. If I could summarize, and if I had a thesis, it would be get the plants into us. It don't matter what kind of food we eat for the most part. If we are generally healthy with no health issues, just get the plants into us. I don't call myself a vegan or even a plant-based person. I may call myself a vegetarian, but that's not even accurate nowadays. So all I am is I'm healthy and I'm strong, and I only want to get healthier and stronger as I age and get older. In the past, I was the queen of bad habits. So if you are watching this and maybe you're not like the traditional healthy person, and maybe your eating habits suck, and you eat terribly and you've got a lot of health issues, first of all, know that everything is changing and you absolutely have 100% of everything you need inside that gorgeous, beautiful body of yours with all of the same human systems that I have, like our cardiovascular system, our immune system, our muscular system, the endocrine system, digestive system. List all of the human systems available. You have them, I have them. We are all just made up a bunch of cells that make up a bunch of organs, that make up a bunch of systems that are all connected and working together for health, for nutrition, with everything that we eat and drink. Now, for me, as a former queen of bad habits, eating more plants or even getting into a fast using something like the FMD is the most approachable way of shifting things around. Massive shifts could be made. Everything could be completely different. If you are also a party person, just know that I think that we especially are the ones who need this the most. Okay, we are adding on a lot more abuse to our systems than we have to, but for whatever reason, we love to partay, and that's probably not going to change. I love a great glass of wine. I love beer. I love many things. But because those things are a high toxic load, and if you believe what the credible neurologists and scientific papers say in terms of no alcohol is our best bet, I mean, personally, I'm not going to listen to that, and I'm going to just taper off the frequency of which I drink alcohol. And the reason why I'm not going to eliminate alcohol and I'm not going to eliminate junk food now and then is because I have so much reverence and knowledge of the power of the human body and its ability to combat stress. The difference, though, I think with most people is that we're constantly stressing our bodies. And so our bodies never have a chance to get well. So most of the time, my body is very well. 80 to 90% of the time, well. 10 to 20% of the time, abuse. It's taken hits. But, you know, some people say that that concept of hormesis is actually good for us long term. When we are insulin sensitive, this is a good thing. When we have good gut health, this is a great thing. When we are not constipated and we're flushing out those toxins on a regular basis, wonderful thing. So it affects everything. My message is, like, especially if you're a party person, then, you know, try this out. There's a free guide in the description just for you.